Hey people, welcome back to day 12 of Inuskypie's 12 days of girly product reviews. Oh my god, I actually got the name right. On the last day. In today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing something that happens at the end of every Christmas. You can't get away from it. It's gonna happen either way. I'm talking about making a mess. I wish I was making a joke there. Like, no. I got something here that I have yet to mess around with, and that is stuff that causes a mess. I think I'm gonna regret this. Now, all my life, my dad has always said to me, "Stop making that mess." He was very against messes when I was little, and I can't blame him. It makes a mess. Well, that means I can make a mess now. It's like snot. My dad's no longer here with us, so in honor of my dad, and when I mean in honor of my dad, I mean I'm gonna do something that he never let me do when I was a little kid, and I'm going to touch this. Ew! It's like snot. Kids play with this? Why? Oh, it's so gross. Why are there beads in it? They say it's supposed to be for... What? It's like silly putty. Except if you don't keep with it, damn it. It settles on your hands and it can't come off if you don't just keep around with it. My dad would hate this. Oh, that stuff's nasty. Oh my god. I stick my finger in it. And my hand is... Oh. That's kind of satisfying. So what are you supposed to do with this stuff? Tell me in the comments below, because I'm really kind of curious. What do people do with this shit? I know people make farting noises with it. This stuff's weird. It's like flubber. I know that people can make this out of glue, but it's just so weird. And what's with these weird little bead thingies that are in here? They look like perler beads. Now I can't stop poking it. This shit's addictive. I'm gonna regret this. It's so gross. Oh my god, it's so gross. Oh god, it's stuck to my hand and I can't get it off. What do you guys do with this shit? I don't understand. What is the fascination with it? It gets stuck to your hand and then you can't get it off. My mom said there's even a case where there's chemicals in this shit. It does smell nice. It's like folding plastic. Over and over. It's like kneading dough. But why add perler beads? I know maybe it's just to stimulate bubbles. Maybe go in. That's what she said. Well, that was gross. Ugh. It's got residue on my hands now. Huh. Well, that was interesting. So yeah. Guess I'll see you guys on New Year's Eve or if I don't see you guys on New Year's Eve, I'll see you guys on my gaming channel because I will be doing a New Year's Eve I will be doing a New Year's Eve stream, so that'll be fun, and it'll have another case of that thing where if I die in the game, I have to eat another nasty candy. Except for it's not going to be the jelly beans this time. I've changed it. It's going to be different. I'm going to have bowls of... I'm going to have one bowl. It's going to have spicy Skittles and normal Skittles. I won't know which one's which. So if I die in the game, I have to eat one of those. I don't know what's what, so... You'll have to watch the stream to see that, so yeah. Till then, I guess I'll see you guys next time. See ya! Oh, Merry Christmas!